The profession of a welder is a job that requires not only skill and expertise but also resilience and the ability to tackle substantial challenges. Welding is not simply about using welding equipment to join metal parts. It's a process that demands technical knowledge, skill, and, above all, experience to handle unexpected situations that arise throughout the job. To become a skilled welder, one must begin with the most fundamental aspects. A novice welder needs to familiarize themselves with foundational welding techniques, including stick welding, MIG, metal inert gas welding, and TIG, tungsten inert gas welding. Each technique has its unique characteristics, and mastering them is the first step to progressing in the welding profession. Stick welding, for example, uses an electrode rod, where the rod serves both as the filler material and the heat source to create the weld. This technique is commonly used in construction projects due to its flexibility. But it requires the welder to have excellent control over the heat to ensure the weld is strong and does not compromise the surrounding structure. For MIG and TIG welding, these techniques demand higher expertise because they use shielding gas to prevent oxidation during the welding process. MIG welding is suitable for larger parts due to its semi-automatic nature, while TIG welding requires absolute precision and is often applied to smaller or corrosion-prone materials. Understanding how to adjust the equipment, becoming familiar with how different metals react to high heat, and selecting the appropriate shielding gas are essential factors to ensure high-quality welds. Safety is paramount in the welding profession, and it is a major aspect that every welder must prioritize. Welding metal generates intense light and extremely high temperatures, both of which can severely harm the eyes and skin. Protective gear, such as welding helmets, safety goggles, and heat-resistant gloves, is essential. Additionally, the work environment should be well ventilated to avoid suffocation risks from fumes or metal dust produced during welding. There have been instances where welders have encountered serious accidents due to negligence, such as working in confined spaces or failing to wear proper protective equipment. Therefore, beyond welding skills, awareness and strict adherence to safety regulations are critical. Once basic techniques are mastered, a welder can move on to more advanced skills like reading and interpreting technical drawings. Unlike simpler jobs, welding often requires the welder to work closely according to blueprints and technical specifications. To accomplish this, precise measurement skills and the ability to calculate the distance and placement of each weld are essential, especially in large projects, such as workshops, bridges, or industrial machinery. Even a small mistake during the welding process can affect the entire structure. With a technical drawing, the welder knows exactly what to do, ensuring that the weld is not only visually appealing but also meets requirements for durability and safety. Inspection and handling of welds are also among the critical skills every welder must master. A quality weld is not only smooth on the surface but also robust and completely safe. There are various methods to inspect weld quality, from simple visual checks to detect cracks, blisters, or uneven areas to more complex techniques such as non-destructive testing, NDT. Inspection methods like ultrasonic testing, X-ray, or magnetic testing allow the welder to detect hidden defects that are invisible to the naked eye, ensuring the weld is of the best quality before it is delivered to the client. The welding profession also demands flexibility and the ability to handle unexpected situations quickly, especially in the face of sudden issues. There are numerous occasions where the welder has to confront issues like equipment malfunction, excessively high temperatures causing poor metal adhesion, or complications with adjusting shielding gas in MIG or TIG welding. Such situations require the welder to stay calm, identify the cause, and immediately come up with an appropriate solution. Practical experience plays a crucial role in helping the welder remain unperturbed in the face of issues and know how to implement the optimal solution. Moreover, time management and meticulousness are crucial factors that determine the quality of a good welder. In this profession, each weld requires a certain amount of time to achieve the standard quality. Working hastily without adequate control can result in subpar welds, leading to multiple fixes and affecting the project timeline. A good welder not only focuses on speed but also pays attention to every small detail in each weld, ensuring the weld is not only strong but also meets aesthetic and technical requirements. Today's welding technology is continuously evolving, demanding that welders stay up to date with new knowledge. Advanced training, attending workshops, or participating in industry seminars provide opportunities for welders to learn about automated welding equipment, welding robots, and other cutting-edge techniques. In this modern era, with new materials and alloys emerging, keeping up to date on the properties of each material is also essential, helping welders meet the demands of highly specialized projects. The welding profession can be seen as a harmonious blend of skilled labor and artistry. Each weld is a product that reflects the dedication, meticulousness, and passion of the welder. Not everyone can become a welder, and not everyone can sustain this job long-term without perseverance and a love for the profession. To become an excellent welder, it takes not only skill but also a mindset of continuous learning, readiness to face all challenges, and the highest level of responsibility toward one's work. With these qualities, a welder can take pride in what they create, contributing to the safety and durability of structures and adding true value to the welding profession. Welding is not just a means of livelihood but also a mission. A job full of challenges but equally rewarding and honorable.